A pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to the channel. Follow me in the kitchen while I show you how I prepare this delicious mixed berry cheesecake trifle. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. I'll be using some Jell-O, which I prepared ahead of time, and I'll be using this cake that I baked like a day ago or so, but you can use the store-bought cake. That is perfect for this recipe. You do not have to go out and bake a whole cake. Here I have some cream cheese, some whipped cream. I'll be using some sugar, raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries, as well as some vanilla. Let's get started with the recipe. So Jell-O is one of the easiest things to put together, but I figure I still show you guys just to not skip any steps in the recipe. So here I added my Jell-O to a bowl and I added some hot boiling water. Stir until that dissolves, and then we will add some cold ice water. Mix well and place this inside of the fridge for a few hours until it gets set. Next, you want to cut the cake into cubes. You can cut them as big or as small as you like. This is the size I'm cutting mine in, and you just want to carry on with this step until your cake is all cut up. So now we'll go ahead and prepare the cream cheese. We'll add the sugar to that as well as the vanilla. And you want to mix this until it's light and fluffy and the sugar is all melted. This is basically like a no-bake cheesecake base. Yeah, that's what it is. So once this is light and fluffy and the sugar is all melted, we will add half of our whipped cream in here just to make it a bit more, lighter. So we will add half of that in here, fold it in, and that's it. This is what we will use for our trifle. So now that we have prepared all of our components, the next step is to put everything together, combine them. So here I'll be using this plastic dessert bowl, and you can find this at Walmart, Amazon, anywhere. We will go ahead and put down some of our cream cheese mixture first, just so the cake isn't sliding all around. We want it to stay in place. So put some of that down as a base, and then you go in with your cake. By the way, you can put this in any order that you like. You don't actually have to do it the way I'm doing it. So you just place your cake down there, and then we will add some Jell-O. Another thing is, this don't have to be perfect. Remember, we are home cooks, right? So this don't have to be perfect. Just do it, however you can. And once it tastes delicious, that's all that matters. So once we add our Jell-O, we will go in with a little bit of the fruit. We'll add some of our blueberries. Then we will go in with some more of our cream cheese mixture. Then we'll add some strawberries, and just do what you see I'm doing here. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect, so don't beat yourself up. And another thing I want to mention is, if you're looking for like a super sweet dessert, this might not be the one for you. This one was just perfect. It was not too sweet. Everything was well balanced. The fruit was a great addition. It seemed like you were eating something healthy, and yeah. So I just wanted to share another option with you guys. This is the single serve cups. These cups are sold at Dollar Tree. They're super affordable. You just want to grab some of your cream cheese mixture. You put that down at the bottom, and then you add some of your cake. You go in with a little of your Jell-O, and then you top it with a little fruit, And it's basically so simple and easy, guys. Your guests can just grab one and go. It's very convenient and they will love it. So here you have it, my version of a strawberry cheesecake trifle. I know as Guyanese, we love to make baked custard for Christmas. Guys, throw that out the window this year. Try something different. Try something new. Elevate your menu this Christmas with this recipe. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.